Hello students, let us continue with the problems. So let us take the problem 5 which is of toughness index 1, that means very easy problem, beginner level problem. So the problem is like this: a car travels 300 meters while it accelerates from 20 meters per second to 40 meters per second. What would be its acceleration? Let us look at it. So first of all, when we begin any exercises, we have to get hold of all the equations, all the formulas. So let us do that. So I hope you are comfortable with these problems now, with these equations now, and it's almost internalized. All the equations are internalized, I believe, and that's what should happen. Okay, even if you are woken up from sleep at night and ask these equations, you should be able to see. Okay, so let us see what is given here. Given is car travels 300 meters, so S is given 300 meters, and then it accelerates from 20 meters per second to 40 meters per second. So what is 20 meters per second? U is 20 meters per second, and then V is equal to 40 meters per second, right? So these two things are given. What would be the acceleration? What is asked? Asked is what is the acceleration, right? Acceleration is asked, right? So let us see that. Let us see the first equation. Is V given? Yes. U given? Yes. Acceleration? No. It is to be found out, right? So let us say there is a question mark here and T is not given. So we cannot use this. Let us see the second one. S is given? Yes. U is given? No. T is given? No. Only acceleration is given. So this we cannot use. So we have to use the third equations where V is given, U is given, acceleration is not given, S is given. So what is required to find out is only acceleration. So let us use that. So we have V square is equal to U square plus 2 into A into S. So now V square is, what is V? 40. So 40 square is equal to 20 square plus 2 into acceleration, we do not know, into S, which is 300. So we have this. So let us do that. 40 square is 1600 and 20 square is 400 plus 2 into 300 is 600. So this is 600A. This goes the other way. So you will have, and I'll take it in the other side. So 600A is equal to 1600 minus 400, that is 1200, and acceleration is 1200 divided by 600, which is equal to 2 meters per second square. I hope you have understood this, students. So we will start from the very basics and continue again and again solving easier problems so that it is internalized in us. Then we will go slowly to the tougher problems. So I hope you have enjoyed this. All the best, students. Thank you very much.